A very good morning, students, children. We are doing chapter number 5, solids, liquid and gases. You know, children, that we discussed that all things that occupy some space is called matter. Then each and everything is made up of molecules. The matter is made up of molecules. Okay, and we discussed that there are 3 states of matter. That is solid, liquid and gases. We discussed that solid has some qualities like the molecules are very close to each other. In liquids we studied that they are not very close, little away from each other, so liquid can flow. And the third thing we studied that solid gases, the molecules are very far away from each other, so the gases, they are not bond, and means it is not a rigid one, it is there is lot of space, and that's why gases move around freely. Now children, I am going to show you something interesting. Children, can you tell me what is this I have? Maybe you are not able to see it from my bowl. Can you now see it? Have a look. Have a look. Yes, it is ice. I bought a bowl of ice. Okay? And can you see this? What can you observe? That there are drops of water falling from this ice. Why it is falling? Because ice is melting. How I form? What is ice? Ice actually is water. This water which I have in my bottle. This water. Okay? So this water, when I keep it in a bowl like this, now I keep water in the bowl. Can you see? And this water, if I keep it in my freezer, below minus, means it should be below 0 degrees Celsius, then the water will freeze into ice. It will freeze into ice. So the state of matter can change from liquid to solid. So this is water only. Can you see? And it is again melting. And melting and changing it form into water, and I can show you that these pieces, they are melting, and it is like I can show you that it is water here. Okay, so that shows that water can change into ice by cooling, isn't it? I take a bowl of water. Now it is difficult to show you water in a bowl, that's why I have my bottle. I take this bottle, and if I keep it below freezing point, means that is below 0 degree, then it will turn into ice. You all must have done this at home in your refrigerator where you have the freezer, and you melted it and again it becomes watery, isn't it? So what we see here, that initial state is ice, and ice on heating changes into water. Same thing, water is there and we cool it. If I cool this water, it becomes ice, isn't it? It becomes ice. So water on cooling becomes ice, and ice on heating, because what in heating means you will say, ma'am, you have not used any fire. No, it has come out of the freezing point. Now the temperature is higher, so it is melting. Can you see it is melting? You can see drops, isn't it? Drops of water melting. So it has become again water. So ice on heating, it becomes water, and the process is melting, isn't it? It is melting. You can see in my hand I am showing you it is melting. And again the same thing I can write. That Initial stage is water, and water on cooling. Yes, water on cooling, and it becomes ice. And what is that process? This process is cooling. So this shows that matter is interchangeable. Means solid can be changed into liquid, liquid can be again changed into solid. Okay children, thank you.